Hey guys, how are you? I thought I'd do a quick video to show you guys something that I came across. Alright, there was a 6.0 earthquake in Papua New Guinea. And, sorry about that. And the depth of it is 57.77. There's 5777. I guess it was observed in Rabaul, East New Britain, Papua New Guinea. And there's about 74 persons there. Sorry about that. So I want to show you guys what this means. So hold on a second. Okay, we're looking up 8074, which stands for Shamem. Shamem. Okay. And Shamem means desolate, to be desolated or appalled. Appalled, astonished, astounded, become desolate, causes horror, causing consternation, desolate, desolated, desolating, desolation, desolations, destitute, destroy, devastations, horrified, laid, desolate, laid west, lie, desert, lies, desolate, made me desolate, made you desolate, made desolate, makes the desolate, make their desolate, make them desolate, make your desolate, make me appalled, make desolate, makes desolate, ravaged, ruin, ruined, ruins. And so, and when you look up the original word for 8074, which is this word right here in Hebrew, is detected as their name. So their name to be desolated. So I guess when somebody says that they're higher than the Most High, which causes desolation, or someone to be appalled by their name. And the more translations for this is desolate, infertile, devastated, and forsaken. So it can mean desolate, infertile, devastated, and forsaken. Okay. Okay. Let's look and see what else somebody says about the word Shamem, so we could find out exactly what does it mean. And so it says Shamem, a primitive root to stun or to intransitively grow numb, to devastate or to figuratively stupefy, both usually in passive sense, make amazed, be astonished, be in astonishment, be bring into, unto, lay, lie, make desolate, to make desolate or desolation, places, to be destitute, to destroy, self, lay, like, make, waste, wonder. So you want to say that in these earthquakes that are being done to this place, it's being made desolate, to destroy, to lay, to lie, to make waste and wonder. And so these are other words too that means the same thing. Nephal, Kal, Polel, Hifel, Hofal, Hithpolel. You understand what I'm saying? To causes oneself desolation causes oneself ruin. The desolation and it says right here to be astonished, it was only one time in scripture that it was used for the word astonish. To be astonished, the primary idea that is of silence being put to silence compared to kindred roots. See what I'm saying? To be astonished. Leviticus 26 and 22, it says, I will also send wild beasts among you, which shall rob you of your children and destroy your cattle. Damn, the only people I know that's robbing people of their children is the Department of Children and Families. The government's program. And destroy your cattle and make you few in number, and your highways shall be desolate. That sounds scary. Leviticus 26 and 31, I will make your cities waste and bring your sanctuaries until desolation, and I will not smell the savor of your sweet odors. And Leviticus 26 and 32, and I will bring the land into desolation, and your enemies which dwell therein shall be astonished at it. And this is all in Leviticus, like the 26th chapter at that, God's number. Leviticus 26 and 34, it says, then shall the land enjoy her Sabbaths as long as it lies desolate, and ye be in your enemy's land, even then shall the land rest and enjoy her Sabbaths. And Leviticus 26 and 35 is, as long as it lieth desolate, it shall rest, because it did not rest in your Sabbaths when ye dwelt upon it. And Leviticus 26 and 43 says, the land also shall be left of them, and shall enjoy her Sabbaths while she lie desolate without them, and they shall accept of the punishment of their iniquity, because of their despise of my judgments, and because of their soul abhorred my statutes. So guys, this is some serious stuff. I don't have all the answers or know what everything means. But look at this. To fulfill the word of Yahuwah by the mouth of Jeremiah, until the land had enjoyed her Sabbaths, for as long as she lay desolate, she kept Sabbath to fulfill 70 years. That's 70 years right there in Scripture. In Scripture. In Scripture right there. All right, I want to show you guys how we have that same word, Shamem, And I want you to look at this. Right here. Bel Shamem, which is supposed to stand for Lord of the Heavens. And this is from a false god. So the Father is giving us distinct divine knowledge to be able to discern who is and what is who got what and who's doing what. And he's telling you right now that this is not him. This 8074, to be astonished, to be desolate. It's not right. And okay. See, it says he is sun god, Bel Shamem, Bel, Lord of the heavens, of the highest heavenly bodies, but still a mere power of nature. This is a sun god. He is conceived in male principle of life, reproduction, and nature. His worship and patron of the grossest sensuality and even Semitic prostitution. It's very, very interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. Hold on, what did I say? I thought I just seen something out of the corner of my eye. You gotta excuse me. Stop, Zoe. Okay, it says right here, there is reason to believe that in earlier date, the Israelites applied the title of Baal to Jehovah himself. For one of Saul's sons is named Eshbaal. While everything we know, Saul makes us unlikely that he was ever an idolater.